Hey guys, welcome back to my sewing room. I'm Kelly and you found me here on Pick and Stitches, and today I got another order in from Fat Quarter Shop. I can't wait to jump in and see what we got. Okay guys, it is almost Christmas and we're still getting packages in from Fat Quarter Shop, so I'm super excited to see what we got. I think this is probably the Moda Fat Quarter bundle, but I am not 100% sure. Oh, it is. Okay. So this is called Hollyhocks and Roses by Bunny Hill Designs from Moda Fabric, curated by Fat Quarter Shop. So it's been a little while since we've had anything really in this color wheel. It's kind of spring, but also a little bit patriotic, little red, white, and blue. I love making quilts with patriotic colors, but not necessarily like super over the top patriotic prints. I kind of like the more subtle nod, and it's just your color wheel that does it. So let's jump in the fabric and see what we got.
So this is our lovely grouping this month. Again, that's Hollyhocks and Roses, the petite bundle from Fat Quarter Shops. And let's take a peek at all of these beautiful fabrics. So they do always include this card that's going to have all of our different SKU numbers. So if you want to reorder any of them in a greater quantity, you can. And this really reminds me of that jelly roll quilt fabric I did. It was one of Beverly's. I think it was called Sweet Liberty. And it was very similar, these kind of light blues and reds and pinks, a little bit of tan mixed in. I really like working with these because they're just kind of soft. There we go. Okay, so this first print is probably my favorite print of the group. I really like this. It's like a off-white, so I probably wouldn't pair this with the background that I typically use, but I really like this print a lot. And it's just a little bit softer. A lot of times I use that super bright white, and it can be, jarring's not quite the right word, but I think this just kind of gives it a softer, more aged appearance, would be kind of cabin friendly, if you will. I really like that. And then a daintier kind of print in a similar floral. Oh, I love that gingham. That's really cute. I think if I did this quilt, I might have to do that as the backing. That's really fun. And then we've got another floral. It's almost kind of got a star feel with the 5 points on it, and the 5 points on the flower petals themselves, but it's really subtle. So it kind of gives you that nod towards patriotic, but it also feels like spring and wildflowers. And what a fun stripe, you guys. I love this. This is so fun. It reminds me of like the 1980s wallpaper that we had in our kitchen when I was growing up, although it's a totally different color. Kind of fun. Okay, I like that too. That's really different. I really am enjoying kind of some of these different shapes. So this would lend itself to a little bit bigger block, but I think you could still make it work if you were doing something that had some small pieces as well. And then that same floral, but in more of the red, white, and blue. Ooh, I feel like, was this part of Blueberry Delight? That feels really familiar to me. I can't figure, I know I've sewn with this fabric or something incredibly similar. I like that. And birds. Birds are like all the thing right now. I don't know why everybody is going crazy for birds, but I love it. And they've also got these little cherries, which is fun too. And then we've got some pink and white. I do love that on some of these, that I think that's what makes it feel like spring to me instead of just patriotic. When you pull a little bit of that light blue and a little bit of that pink in there, it really just gives it some more flexibility as a fabric line to me. Fun red gingham. And then another beautiful floral print, you guys. I like that a lot too. That would make a really fun, if you wanted to go this red, a border in that would be a lot of fun, I think. So I will get these pressed out and get you guys some great pictures of them.
Okay, guys, that's a wrap on the November Fat Quarter Club from Moda Fabrics with Fat Quarter Shop. That's a mouthful. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing. If you do like watching my unboxing videos or any of my other tutorials, please do hit that like and subscribe button. It helps me out a ton. And I hope you guys have a very Merry Christmas, and we'll see you soon.